come do my son's locks with me. So first we're gonna come in with the sink caddy. We gotta make sure he's comfortable. Just started his locks, and this is like my second time washing them. I'm going in with some Design Essentials almond avocado shampoo, and I love this stuff. It smells so good, and a little goes a long way. So I just make sure to shampoo his hair really, really well. He's a little boy, and he is definitely all over the place. And he loves getting his hair washed. As you can see how calm he is. He is always, letting mommy do his hair. Whenever I call him, he comes. Look at that lather. This is like my favorite shampoo. It's the only shampoo we really use in my house. And then I'm just going to go ahead with the rinse. And we're just going to go ahead and shampoo him one more time, because we got to make sure we get everything out. I try to make sure they get no buildup or as less buildup as possible. But then I'm going to go in with that shampoo again, and look at that. This is how much I'm going to use. And when I tell you a little goes a long way, watch how much his hair lathers. Just a dime size of shampoo. Look at that. And it smells so good. I love this stuff. Okay, so this is our last rinse of shampoo. We want to make sure to get everything out, because we don't want to leave residue, because again, we don't want to cause buildup. And then I'm going to go in with the almond and avocado conditioner. Once I condition his hair, I'm going to let him sit in this shower cap for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and rinse that out. Alright, so now for the fun part, I'm going to be interlocking his locks, just so he has a little more longevity with his retwist this time. Like I said, I do have to clean up some of his twists towards the back. Usually there's a few that I do have to twist back up. But then I'm going to go in with my foam. This is the only thing I use on our hair when we do our reties or our retwists. Yep, and I go heavy on the foam because that's all we use, and it's really good. It doesn't typically give us any buildup. I use it on my locks, my son, my husband, and my daughter. So we all typically use just foam on our locks because we try to stay as far away from buildup as possible. Son is just playing this game like he is loving it. He loves getting his hair done because he knows it means that he can get on this game. Most kids like tablets. My kids love to video game. And of course, you gotta have a snack break. So He is enjoying his Nutella bar. As you can see, he is always dancing when he eats. All right, so back to work, and the retie is coming out really nice. This is my first time actually interlocking his hair, because his reties typically only last for a few days. So if I just retwist his hair with the foam in a few days, it looks like I didn't do anything. So I decided to try to interlock his hair, and I am loving it. I don't even know why I didn't try this earlier.
Elevation.
I feel like I was going so slow. It took me forever to do this because, like I said, it was my first time interlocking his hair, or interlocking anybody's hair for that matter, because we just typically do a regular retwist. And he's so patient with me as long as he got that game. And no, I did not buy my 4-year-old a PlayStation. That is definitely my husband's PlayStation. But these sessions are just great for me. I love these sessions. I love doing my kids' hair. I feel like it's time for us to bond, time for me to just take care of them. And voila. This is his first interlock transition, and oh my God, I love it. I didn't have to use any clips on his hair. I used my foam, no gel, and it turned out so great. So I don't think we're going back from this, at least not right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.